Logan. What's up? Yeah! Okay, guys, we are going. Hey, yo, good morning, Logan. What's up? Yeah! Okay, guys, we are going to Hawaii. Yeah! 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 Coffee! I drank coffee and I'm wired, bro. Guys, I normally don't drink coffee, so Ayla and I are going to an audition right now. You guys know us. When we touch something, like, I'm not trying to sound cocky, but legit, it turns to gold. Ah, it sounds so bad, but it's true. You guys know, you've seen it all. We make heat, bro. So I could see this song going like really, really. Also, this is such a good way to start the night. How did these kids get to live at this beautiful house with this beautiful view of like all of Los Angeles? Must be nice, bro. 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 After our movie Valley Girl, decided we need a little celebration. Let's see what's popping in here. Hello. Doing set. Oh, yo, what? Let's go. Are you good, bro? It's 7 a.m., dude. What? 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 If you're not subscribed, join the fastest growing and weirdest channel on YouTube, aka the Logan. Subscribe right now. Get your Maverick merch, link in description, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Take it easy, fam. Oh, I can't do the thing. My hair's wet. Sam. Brown's house. There are a lot of kids here. It's fine. They won't recognize me, bro. It's not my demo. Hello, gang. We were like, how cool would it be to rent a bounce house and then ship it to the palace?